this is example 5 on page 337. Multiply the two polynomials. Solution. Alright. Now, to multiply these two polynomials out, you need to use the distributive law. So, I will take this, multiply this first term right here inside the first parenthesis, multiply by each term inside the second parenthesis. Okay, and I will do this for the other term inside the first parenthesis as well. Take this term 4, multiply each term inside the second parenthesis. Alright, let me start with this term first. So 3y squared times y squared okay, 3y squared times y squared, okay, subtract 3y squared times 2, okay, 3y squared times y squared, we got this. 3y squared times 2, we get this. Let's subtract, go here. Now for the second term, you take 4 times y squared. So you have positive, because positive here, positive 4 times y squared. Okay. In front is the addition, right? So you continue here, addition. Now, still, because positive 4 times this value right here, let's see, 4y squared, you would have subtracts here. This subtraction comes from this subtraction, okay? That's how you got this subtraction as well when you multiply 3y squared to each term, okay? This is the subtraction between the y squared and 2 in a second parenthesis. So for this term right here, 4 times y squared, we get this. And this subtraction go here. So and then we take 4 times 2. Okay. So far so good. Now simplify. There's no constants, only 3, so 3. Y squared, you can combine as y squared times y squared. Minus, combine the coefficient or the constant, 3 times 2. Times y squared. This you can simplify to 4y squared. This you can simplify to negative 8 or subtract 8. We're almost there. So we can combine y squared with y squared by adding its exponents. 2 plus 2 is 4. Subtracts 3 times 2 is 6 y squared plus 4y squared minus 8. Now, you're not done yet. You're only done when you cannot simplify any further, okay? So look around. 3y to the fourth, this is the only term, okay, compared to the rest. This is the only term that has y to the fourth power. Look at this term, 6y to the second power. Are there any term that has y to the second power? Because if there is, you can simplify its coefficient, okay? So, not this. This is the one, right? Y squared, y squared. Not this, because there's no y squared. So that means you can combine these two terms, or simplify it. So 3y to the fourth power. So negative 6 plus 4, okay? You combine the coefficient. So negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2y squared. Subtract 8 here. And let me verify the answer. 3y to the fourth power, subtract 2y squared minus 8. And this is the answer for this example 5 on page 337. You can see you cannot simplify any further. This is the only term with y to the fourth. This is the only term that has y to the second power. And this is a constant term.